Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. It's another Sunday, so let's make another video. As I promised, today I'm going to start using this Walnut blaster on most of the dirty engine parts. However, I would suggest not to use it on the cylinder head or engine blocks because of the small walnut pieces get stuck in places where you don't really want them. Maybe the soda blaster would be a cleaner choice. I don't know. I was going with the walnut shell. I had to buy at least 15 cans of brake cleaners and wash my eyes many times throughout the process just to get those little pieces out. So let me show you the air compressor that I'm going to start with. Alright, if you want to walnut blast or soda blast or use any other abrasive media on your car or motorcycle parts, use at least a 20+ gallon of air compressor. Otherwise you have to keep waiting for the tank to refill itself, and you don't really want that. I started using a 29-gallon air compressor and I ended up using a much bigger one because we had like 2 of them in the shop. You have to adjust the PSI above at least 100, the more the better. Mine was around 130. Usually you have a knob like this and you have to turn clockwise to boost the PSI. Okay, now let's start blasting.
I'm headed to the bottom of the bottle. I've been drowning, I've been floating away. Every other dollar that I got in bed, I probably went and pissed it away. I ain't fucking okay, I ain't liking it, babe. I don't even wanna talk, I'm just smoking my haze. I've been stuck in my ways, I've been stuck here for days. I've been staring at the clock as the radio plays. I'm enslaved. Yeah, rolling another, I'm stuck in my seat from the whole control of my speech. Yeah, I've been trying to get off this couch for a minute and a whole damn week. No kidding, I'm skinny, I cannot eat. Got a million motherfuckers that depend on me. Yeah, every friend in my family, from a girl, every fan I meet myself. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down to make new thoughts, like jumping off of that rooftop. Hold my camera when I do not to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yo, steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it. Full of stage, trying to find my pain. See the sun coming out of that rain. Minds ain't really not tame. I'ma never slow down. I'ma never behave. Stuck inside this prison, inside this cage. It's taking over. Yeah, I'm a slave for you. I'm a slave for you. Ripping harder, more less. Never stop, no rest. Till the stress is breath in my chest. Till it's diamonds wrapping my neck. Progress to a god from a goddamn mess. Hopeless, more tests. More blessed. Dug deep down trying to find my best. Find a beast, had to kill a conquest. I'm next. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down to make new thoughts. Like jumping off of that rooftop. Hold my camera when I do not to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yo, steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it. Full of stage, trying to find my pain. See the sun coming out of that rain. Minds ain't really not tame. I'ma never slow down. I'ma never behave. Stuck inside this prison, inside this cage. It's taking over. Yeah, I'm a slave for you. devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer.
I'm going to continue walnut blasting this engine, specifically the transmission now. As you can see, it's really dirty. It's unbelievable. I already cleaned the surface, but we're gonna make a deeper clean right now. Also, I already put some tape around the pistons, as you can see, on the bottom too, so nothing's gonna get between or inside, you know, in those rings. There's a lot of carbon built up on all of the piston heads, so we're gonna clean these too.
Devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand. Call
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. How long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. can't get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. How long do I gotta keep you?
As you guys can see, the blaster does a really good job. I'm pretty satisfied with the results. Even the exhaust manifold, the water pipe, and the intake came out much better than I expected. The engine block was the only piece that looks kinda the same to me. Maybe I'm gonna repaint that later on, or I'll just leave it like that. I don't know yet. In the next episode I'm going to repaint a couple of the parts, so stay tuned. And now I'm heading to the machine shop to drop the head and the block for resurfacing. I hope I'm gonna get it back in like a week. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the bell for instant notification on my upcoming videos. Have a great day, and see you guys in the next one.